The much-awaited Saif Deepika starrer Love Aajkal is all set to hit the theatres this June. The leading actors of the film, along with director Imtiaz Ali, turned up in full force to promote the film at a press meet. Love Aajkal is about love today and love as it used to happen in the past.
A famous actor once said that the clever thing an actor does is not acting. It's the listening he does in the drawing room. So when Imtiaz narrated the subject to me, I knew that this would be the right film that we should start with. The story is primarily about a guy called Jay who doesn't believe in love. He thinks Romeo and Juliet and Heer Ranjha are just these filmy stories and like these books about romance that have ruined our lives because they make people think that this is the way love should be, whereas actually we should be a little more practical. When you say there's too much love happening in my life, I think it's a little bit unfair. But it's true, it is true. I've got a lot of love going on in my life, which is a nice thing.
The character's name is Meera, and I think my character is very grounded, very sensitive and more practical. It's spooky how similar this character is to me. I keep teasing Imtiaz and saying that I think he's been following me around. It's definitely one of those special films that I'll always remember.
We asked Saif, what does he think about the two of you on screen and how y'all look. He said you bring to his sort of personality what Rani Mukherjee brings to him on screen, which was a real personality.
I think he's being extremely sweet and kind and polite. It's a huge compliment for someone like him to say something like that about me, because I think in fact have learned a lot from him. Right from Dil Chahta Hai, I remember all his performances, and I've been a big fan of his as an actor, and I'm glad that he thinks otherwise.
You were all the time on the phone with Ranveer. You were newly in love at that time, and he was in love with Kareena. So tell me a bit about it.
He just told you what he was doing. Blamed it on me. I'm someone who completely believes in falling in love and being in love and in marriage and things like that. So I'm definitely not someone who even remotely believes in the 7-year itch.
We only hope that Imtiaz creates the same magic with Love Aajkal that he created with Jab We Met.